welcome and take a final look at the reigning Miss Gapas Gapas 2024, Miss Mary Joy G. Valiente, as she graces us with her farewell walk.
Miss Mary Joy G. Dolindo won the title in the year 2024 when she was 17 years old. Now, throughout her reign, Miss Dolindo has been a shining example of grace and beauty to the young ladies of Sitio Gapas Gapas. After a year of carrying the crown with pride and dignity, she is now ready to pass it on to our new Miss Gapas Gapas. Once again, let us give Miss Dolindo a big round of applause for her remarkable journey.
Welcome the grand entrance of Miss Gapas Gapas 2025, Miss Dandy M. Pame. Let us give her a warm round of applause, please.
Miss Dandy M. Pame is a 16-year-old young lady, the beloved daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Danilo P. Pame. She is currently a grade 11 senior high school student at Lawang National Technical High School, where she continues to grow not only in knowledge but also in character. Before us, not only with beauty and grace, but with the strength of a young woman who is ready to chase her dreams and make a difference. As she believes that if you can dream it, you can do it, because life does not get better by chance.